Hello, I am Mr. Alexis, and I'm here to teach you new things. So today we are going to be learning about the D scale. Hold on, let's put this up. So it goes D, D, E. Now this is a note that we haven't really talked about before, but it's important. It's F sharp. Then A, then G, then A, then B, then C sharp, then D. So let's go over it one more time. So D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So, a sharp just means you're moving to the note right next to it, which is one of the black notes, but to the right. If it were a flat, you'd be moving to the note right next to it on the left. So for example, on C, just if you were to play C, you see the two notes that are right next to C? C sharp and B. So right next to C sharp, right next to C would be C sharp, because it would be going up a half step. And if you wanted C flat, it would be going down a half step to the left, again, to the note right next to it, touching it. So in the key of D, it would be F sharp. So you're not playing F, you're playing F sharp. Then G, A, B, C sharp, D. Oh. Something that I think is really cool is something that we can learn pretty easily, which is since we know now the first 5 letters of D, which is D, E, F sharp, G, and A. You go to C, the C major, again, all the white notes, right? So maybe you've recognized this before. And that's what I want to teach you today. So we are in the Addams family. If you didn't know, that is what that's from. The Addams family. What they are doing is just going up the scale of whatever key they're in, because in this case it's C major, because we're in C. They're playing the first 4 notes, and then the key a whole step up, they play the first 4 notes of that one. So the key next to it, essentially. So it's the key of C, it would go to the key of D. Exactly. So you can do this anywhere. So for example, if you wanted to start on F major, which I don't know if we covered, but it would be all the white keys except for a B flat. So Literally F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And that's an F major scale. And so a G major scale is also very similar to an F major scale. It's just the F is sharped, funny enough. But if you were to play, I messed it up. F major, the first four notes, which is F, again, F, G, A, and B flat. The first four notes, it would be. And then the first four notes of G. So, again, if I were to play it for you correctly. Sorry, let's play that one more time. Better. Again, I just want to show you in C, but I'm showing you that you can do it anywhere. Like, you can do it in any key, it doesn't matter. So let's try it in C. It's just the four notes, the first four notes of the C major scale. So C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, and then it goes the first four notes of the D major scale. D, E, F, G, D, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G. D, E, F sharp, G, D, E, F sharp, G, C, D, E, F. Okay. So yeah, I think that helps a lot. Just with the idea of, like, you can play this here as well, and it sound tonally different. And what I mean by that is it's like, it is the same. You're playing the same distance between each note. Just starting from a different location. That's what it really means when you say a different key or a different specifically when you're in a different key. It just really means that you're starting from a different location. So like, again, if I were to play the whole C major scale, but if I were to play the D major scale now, I keep on messing up the F sharp. I'm sorry about that. F sharp is what I'm not playing. So it goes D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. There we go. And then C major. Again, very similar in tonally, but different. Just because of where it starts. That's what it would mean in a different key. So, yeah, I wanted to show you that little cool thing. I think it is really interesting that the Addams Family has just the first four notes of two separate keys, and it sounds like it's correct. You know what I mean? Like, it's still tonally in the right place. It doesn't sound like it's clashing, mainly because you're not playing them at the same time. So if you were to play this, and then, like, they kind of, if you were to play the chords anyway, like, if you were to play it, and then, actually, it kind of sounds cool. So that didn't really work out, but usually you'd feel like it's clashing, but the only reason that it would feel like that, because you're not playing in the right key, but it really just sounds, since they're so, the only reason why that works is because they are so similar. So if, for example, if I were to play C, and then it would sound a little more clashy, just because they don't have as many common notes. Because again, D has almost the same exact notes as C, except 2 sharps. But I started from like one that it started on A sharp, so like they didn't have anything similar. But yeah, so I'm gonna switch it over to part 2 because yeah, I'll see you soon so I can continue this lesson.